So, good afternoon, everyone. So, my topic is all about ethics and feelings, ethics and religion, ethics and law, ethics and what society accepts. So, ethics and feeling refers to a system of moral principles that guide our actions and decisions about what is right and what is wrong, while feeling represents the emotional experience associated with those ethical choices. Diba? We all know that ethics, it is like what is the right and the wrong. Diba?
Yes.
Diba that is? Then, ang feeling, it is our emotions, our feelings. So, for example, I have a classmate kami ni best friend kami ni Charmy. Then, sa example of ethics ang feeling, best friend kami ni Charmy. Then, nakita ko sa Charmy na cheat siya during exam. So, my feelings tells me that dili na ka nang magkulit kan mom kasi nga best friend kami, I value our friendship. Diba? But ethically, I need to report it kan mom kasi nga dapat hindi na to ang integrity ng academic. Pero it's uncomfortable sa ako na iulit siya kan mom kasi base na kubiyaan ni Charmy. So that is ethics and faith. Next is ethics and religion. Ethics is the study of right and wrong, while religion is a belief system that gives meaning to life. Ethics are based on logic and reason, while religion is often based on faith. So religion, it is sa each of us, di ba? Yan ang mga specific na paniniwala. So that. So for example, for example, may imo yakita na lost na dog. So, syempre, in ethics, imo tabangan ang dog kasi nga, it is the right thing to do. Diba? Dapat hanapon nimo ang owner, ibalik nimo ang dog sa tag-iya kasi obligasyon nimo. Then, ang sa religion, same situation. Nakakita ko gihapon ng lost dog. Pero, tabangan nimo ang dog kasi nga sa paniniwala niyo, dapat i-care ang mga animals, i-love ang mga animals, o ano yan, so sa overall, same ka mo na may help sa dog, right? Sa ethics and sa religions. Pero lahi-lahi ka mo ng rason. Sa ethics, gitabangan nimo ang dog kasi nga that is the right thing to do. Diba? While sa religion, gitabangan nimo ang dog kasi nga sa paniniwala niyo na sa iyong religion dapat i-care nimo ang dog, i-love nimo ang dog. Did you get it?
Puno mo nga rin dito.
Sir?
Usa ba na lang si Christian kay ito?
Uy! Bad! So, ethics and laws. Sa bata.
Ethics as law siguro.
Ethics.
Law. Ano siguro ethics as law, ethics as religion.
Siya sa kuan. Art of principles that guide how people should behave. While laws are a system of rules that are enforced by the state, a universal set of rules. So we all know that a law is a formal rules that established by the government. So for example, may imo yakita na cellphone. So syempre, sa ethics, you should balik-balik to the owner ang cellphone kaya that's the right thing to do lagi, di ba? Pero sa laws, yes ate, sa laws, di ba kung kaibo, sinitag-iya ng cellphone, hindi sinasabi sa laws na kailangan nimong ibalik ang nawawalang cellphone. Waray batas ay ana ati, na waray batas na nagsasabing kailangan mo ibalik ang nawawalang bagay, pero kung kasakpan ka o nagikuha niyo ang cellphone na wala nang gibalik, pwede ka maparusahan. Yun ay pagnanakaw. Kung gibalik kita ko ng cellphone, tapos libaw na ko sinitag iya, kaya ako nung wallpaper nila sa cellphone na gawin na sumali mo gibalik. So, pwede ka maparusahan. Next is ethics and societal acceptance. Refers to a set of moral principles that define what is considered right and wrong behavior. Societal acceptance means that which particular behavior or action is considered acceptable by community or society at large. So for example, as a woman's education, so in ethics, di ba, we should go to school. Ang mga babae, we should go to school like sa mga lalaki. So sa una, kawali, ang societal acceptance sa in the past, di ba, women should not allow to go to school. Pero nangyag kadugay, the society accepts na ang education is for everyone na. So it means that ang ethics is i-challenge niyang society to accept for the better, for the changes. Like that. Thank you.